Hey guys, Chinese Santa Claus here. Let's go make some kids happy. Hey guys, it's Chinese Santa Claus here who wants to play with illegal fireworks. Raise your hand if you want to play with illegal fireworks and say me. Raise your hand and say me if you want to play with illegal fireworks.
So where's all the bullets going?
Okay, here's some illegal fireworks. Merry Hanukkah! Ho ho ho! Being Chinese Santa is the best. Here, you want some? You want some illegal? You want some illegal? You want some illegal fireworks? There you go, kid.
Yeah. I want some. Illegal fireworks. Dad.
Okay, my Chinese fireworks.
Oh, these are so fun.
No, my fireworks. Here you go, good boys. Oh no! Give me my sack back. Send it into the sack. Ho ho ho! Ho 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 ho! Merry Christmas!
You shouldn't be the host.
I love being Santa Claus. Hey guys, there's Chinese Santa Claus who wants to play with the legal fireworks.
I want it.
Here you go. Merry Hanukkah. Merry Hanukkah. Ho ho ho. I love being Santa. Hey guys, look, fireworks. That's enough for you, son. See ya.
Yay.